I look like a crackhead. Obviously, by the title of this video, you're gonna see me do this hair and try to get it right because baby girl has been looking crazy. Oh my god. But put you on to the hair watching, and I'm gonna put you guys on. And I got my nails done. They probably look a little dirty. Hold on. This hair, I can't remember where it's from. This hair is curly, but right now it's getting a little in a hot mess because I have to fix it. So the first thing was I got a brush and I went through every single part. I actually did it before I started filming the video, but obviously, like, wait, does this need more brightness? I had this thing and I don't even know where the remote to that is. That would probably look cute in my video with it, because this thing's a little bright. Haven't even gotten to it. So the first thing that I did was I went and combed like every single part of my hair because I just wanted to start off fresh. I don't know if that's gonna affect the curls or anything, but I don't think so because like this is black people hair, so and if it does, then not black people hair, but usually it is. I start from the ends like so, and I comb this bitch out because that's what needs to happen. Next thing that I'm gonna do is, y'all probably not even gonna see this, but I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna take a shower and whoa, what the, something just got in my eye. Dust. I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna wet the hair and wash it because I'm pretty sure it has product in it. You guys are gonna be like, oh my god, how she do that? And I'm gonna be like, you gotta follow the way. But when we get a thumbnail, and the other side's gonna be me looking pretty. Okay, bye. I take this thing off just to keep my edges intact, but I'm gonna use some water. This is what I use. Hold on, wait. So this is what I use for conditioner when I want to feel real fancy with my hair, and I actually want my hair to look like something. So I take about, that's actually a lot, but we're just gonna put it on the ends, so I guess it doesn't really matter. And then I just make my way. It's nothing special, nothing big. I'm just putting it on the ends because that's what needs it. But I'm just gonna put a little bit more. And then I'm gonna let this sit in the hair for like 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna rinse it out and then I'll be back. And then I'm gonna show you guys how we do the rest of it. So I done turned off this heater. So I just rinsed out my hair with water from this stuff, and this is how it looks. I brush it with this while I rinse it out, and then you will get like a cloth dripping. Y'all seen that video when it's like, oh, you do hair? Turn around for me.
Yeah, and how long you been doing hair?
For like 3 years.
Yeah, that's cute. Can you turn around for me? Yeah.
So I have it parted the way that I want it to be set. So the next thing that I do is I use this Tresemme keratin. It's heat protecting hairspray because I am gonna use a blow dryer. and I'm gonna have to like blow dry my hair, and I don't want the curls to like get heat damage. And spray. Then the next product that I use is this Carol's Daughter, and it's a 4-in-1 combing cream for dry brittle hair, so I don't want it to get dry or whatever. So the thing is that you have to use a little bit of this and a lot of bit of water, because if you use a lot of product, your hair will get tangled. We don't want that. So I use like this. This is a little bit too much, but I'm gonna use it on both sides, and I only put it like towards the end because I don't really need it at the top of my hair right now. And then I'm gonna like brush it through the hair. So then the next thing that I use is, it has makeup on it. I'm that, but it's this, if you guys can see that. I use a lot of this either because, like I said, if you use a lot of the product, it is going to make your life a living hell. And what the hell? You can just wait for your hair to air dry, whatever you like. But I'm using a blow dryer because I gotta go to sleep soon. I love how I just threw this over here, like with no redemption or anything. I'm gonna use a blow dryer. My blow dryer has been through a lot. It has been through a lot. So it has hair dye on it. I've had it for years, so it doesn't look clean, but I promise it's just hair dye. That doesn't sound good at all, but listen, if you have hair, you know things get messy, okay? It's clean, but it just has hair dye on it.
If there's a part that's really poofy when I'm blow drying, I just go back and rinse it with some water, and then I scrunch it up so that it can get its curl pattern back. And then on the side, I just show the difference between me blow drying, and then I wet the other side again so you guys could see the difference. And this is just me blow drying.
The finishing look of my hair after I blow dried it. I poofed it up a little bit. I didn't use anything, like I didn't use a pick or anything. I literally just like that, and then it's big and poofy. Hold on, I need a ending product after it's air dry. Like after I got bored of like using a blow dryer, I just let it air dry a little bit, and it's big and poofy like this. And then when I go to sleep, I use this. I actually have like 2 of these. The other one is pink because this one is wet, so you don't want to put like a wet one back on your head. But I have one of these head wraps for my edges so they don't get messed up. And then I have the other one, so when I go to sleep, I'll find it at some point. Don't know where it is, but I'm gonna get it. But this is the ending finished product, because a lot of girls, like, they have like this silk down kind of like curly look, and I don't really like dig that look a lot. I like the look that's like big, like that looks like a lion, and then it's like poofy and stuff. So that's just me though, because I got a lot of compliments on my hair in other videos, so I was like, let me hook y'all up. But if you want this hair, I'll link it down below. I can't remember, I think it's like Ollie hair or something like that. Literally cannot remember the name of it, but it'll be linked down below, so if you want it, girl, I got you. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, be sure to give the video a like, comment, rate, subscribe, thumbs up. Any hair companies want to hit me up, my business inquiries is down below. So girl, I'll hook you up. Yup, I'm feeling myself with this hair. Oh my god, like look how I finesse this is crazy. That's crazy. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Look at my nails. Yup. Okay, peace.
Teddy jam for me, yeah.